Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Walthers Ho Scale Buildings is probably one of the most detailed and realistic model building kits available for your model railroad, offering a wide variety of structures to enhance your layout's authenticity, from classic American depots to modern industrial complexes, and their high-quality construction ensures durability and longevity, making them a worthwhile investment for any serious model railroad enthusiast who wants to create a truly immersive and captivating miniature world. Number 5. Walther Cornerstone Dairy Queen Kit. This highly detailed HO scale kit lets you build your own nostalgic Dairy Queen. It's perfect for adding a touch of Americana to your model railroad. Notice the intricate detailing on this kit. Every aspect has been carefully crafted to ensure accuracy and realism. The kit is designed for easy assembly, even for beginners. You'll be enjoying your finished Dairy Queen in no time. It's constructed from high-quality materials built to last. This ensures years of enjoyment from your model. Bring back memories of simpler times with this charming Dairy Queen model. It's a great addition to any collection. This kit is the perfect addition to your model railroad layout. It adds a touch of realism and nostalgia. This model captures the classic charm of an American icon. It's a wonderful piece to display and share. What we like. It boasts a classic design that will bring a touch of Americana to your model railroad. Assembly is a breeze, perfect for beginners. If you're looking to add a piece of nostalgic charm to your layout, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit went together pretty easily and I didn't have any issues with parts not fitting correctly or with wonky seams. Completed the kit in my spare time in a couple of days and it looked wonderful on my dad's layout. It was great fast to build, the instructions were basically non-existent, only some words in text only, but it's so easy to figure out everything except for the weird things that goes inside. Build very quickly in a few hours, would recommend. Number 4. SCENEMASTER Merchant Row 4. Get ready to build your own detailed storefronts with this exciting new kit. It's perfect for adding life and character to your model railroad. It comes with a variety of colorful decal signs for your shops. You can customize your row to match your vision. Choose from 2 different front cornices to give each building a unique look and feel. This adds so much realism to your layout. The kit includes a separate back porch, stairways, and downspouts. These add depth and visual interest to your creation. This is a fantastic HO scale building kit that's easy to assemble, even for beginners. Bring your model railroad to life. It's a kit that requires assembly, so you can enjoy the process of building your own unique merchant row. The satisfaction is unmatched. What we like. This kit offers a variety of storefronts, letting you create a unique streetscape. You can customize it to fit your vision. If you enjoy building diverse and detailed cityscapes, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Walthers Merchant Row 4 is easy to assemble, very customizable, paintable, true to scale and very detail-oriented. I love this kit. I have bought several and cut them up to change the layout to suit my building needs. Everything you need is here for great-looking buildings and storefronts. It works as a standalone set of stores, or you can use it for the middle of the block with Merchant Row I on one end, and Merchant Row 2 or V on the other end. It makes a nice addition to your HO layout. Number 3. Walthers Cornerstone HO Diamond Coal. This is a highly detailed model of a coal tipple, perfect for adding realism to your steam or diesel era layouts. It's authentic in design and captures the essence of coal loading operations across the U.S. It features a conveyor system and supports suitable for both above and below ground operations. Notice the intricate details, it's a true representation of a classic coal loader. The model boasts finely detailed corrugated metal construction. You'll appreciate the separate windows, walkways, and stairs, adding to its realism. This versatile model can be incorporated into your layout to represent either above or below ground coal loading operations. It's designed for flexibility and authenticity. Built to 1 hour 87 minutes HO scale, it's perfect for model railroad enthusiasts. It's a hobby-grade product, carefully packaged to ensure safe arrival. Please handle with care when unpacking. Gentle handling will prevent any damage to this meticulously crafted model. What we like. It's a highly detailed and authentic representation of a historic coal tipple. The durable construction ensures it will last. If you are building a historically accurate railroad scene, this is an excellent choice. What people say. All of the pieces fit together perfectly and was easy to put together. Well made, pieces fit together well, clear instructions. Solid model, be nice if pictures on the box were from all sides not just the front. Number 2. Walthers Cornerstone Powerhouse Kit. Get ready to enhance your model railroad with this incredible structure kit. It's perfect for adding an authentic industrial touch to your landscape. This kit features a main brick building, complete with a large smokestack for added realism. Notice the level of detail in the design. It includes a coal dump pit, adding to the realism and functionality of your model. This is a key feature for any industrial scene. Separate doors and clear glass windows bring it to life. You'll appreciate the attention to detail in these small features. Designed for novice modelers, it's easy to assemble and provides hours of enjoyable building. It's a great project for all skill levels. We've carefully packaged it to ensure it arrives safely. Please handle with care upon opening to avoid any damage. What we like. It's designed for beginners, making it easy to build. The classic design is timeless. If you're new to model building but want a detailed structure, this is a great starting point. What people say. It was simple to put together nice building. Good model when assembled. The work platforms have the most detail and were a bit of a challenge but worth it. Lots of options, multiple structures, configuration options. High quality. One of the better sets. Number 1. Walthers Cornerstone Pella Depot. Get ready to add a touch of history to your model railroad with this meticulously detailed passenger station. It's a classic design, perfect for any era from the 1890s to the present day. This kit is designed for easy assembly, making it perfect for modelers of all skill levels. You'll be able to enjoy the building process and the satisfying results. Its classic brick design is reminiscent of passenger stations used by many railroads throughout history. It's a timeless addition to your layout. It boasts authentic details such as a bell roof, printed signs, window shades, and leaded glass for the door transoms. These features add to its realism and charm. We've taken extra care to package it securely for safe shipping. Please handle it gently when unpacking to avoid any damage. Bring the past to life on your model railroad with this beautiful and historically accurate depot. Order yours today. What we like. It's surprisingly easy to assemble, even for beginners. The classic brick design is perfect for various layouts. If you want an authentic-looking depot without the hassle of complex assembly, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Went together well. Like the one-piece rooftop. Great fit all round, panels fit well, no gaping holes, good flow to instructions so easy to build, plastic colors not bad as constructed, I did change some colors particularly the roof. This model will be used on my HO layout. It will be a good representation of the Rock Island Railroad Depot in Morris, Illinois. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.